Making sure your estate is set up properly for after you're gone can be one of the greatest gifts you ever give your family. We've helped many families navigate estate planning for years, and unfortunately, we've seen how it can go wrong, even with the best intentions. So we wanted to get some expert tips from a Raymond James Trust Services advisor, Patricia Chartrand. Patricia, what are some common mistakes you see people make when it comes to estate planning?
Thanks for asking the question, Lori. There's 3 ones that come to mind. The first is creating a joint account to avoid probate tax. If you add a child to your account and they get sued, your assets are actually in jeopardy because those assets are subject to creditor claim. The second one that I can think of is tax implications of registered assets. So people are sometimes unaware that those taxes from a registered asset transferring to somebody outside the estate actually attribute back to the estate. So you can actually inadvertently end up with an unequal distribution that you were not intending. So one child could have received $1 million from an RSP, and the other child is left with $200,000 because all of the taxes attributed back to the estate. In the worst case scenario, the estate could even be bankrupt. The third is appointing the wrong executor. People treat it as though it's an honor to be appointed, and in fact it is. You've earned the family's trust. However, your executor may not have the talents or skills required to unwind this estate, and people often underestimate the actual efforts and time that goes into winding down an estate. Also, appointing the wrong executor can exacerbate a bad family dynamic.
So maybe the best option is to appoint an executor outside of your family then?
Raymond James Trust Services brings expertise to estate wind down. It can be lengthy. It involves court filings and tax filings and all the little things that add up and take years sometimes to handle. We also bring impartiality, which helps to maintain family neutrality. In the end, it's a benefit for everyone. It's a gift to your family.
Thanks, Patricia. You can see estate planning can be quite complicated. Jay and I are here to guide you through creating a plan specifically for you and your needs in consultation with your estate planning lawyer. At Johnson Legacy Wealth Management, we put your interests first.